Hiya kids, and welcome to another edition of KidCity's Heroes and Villains. This is a game where Little Flash and KidCity Dad, we compete to try to find the first 5 good guys in a stack of good guys and bad guys. And we have listened to your feedback in the last Heroes and Villains. When you commented below, we listened to that and we put all the characters that you wanted in this stack of characters. So we're gonna open these up, and after we win, we're gonna open up all of them so you can see all the characters that we put in here. So, you wanna get started, buddy? Little Flash is gonna go first. What's he gonna do? What's he gonna do, ladies and gentlemen? Okay, open it up for the camera. Open it up for the... Let's see what we got. Ooh, you got a bad guy.
I'm supposed to give good bad guy.
Well, I don't know about that. Okay.
He's on the next one.
KidCity Dad's turn. By the way, like this video and let us know, comment below, let us know who you want to see in the next Heroes and Villains game, and we promise we will put him in there. I think I'm going to look for... KidCity Dad got a good guy. Come over there. That's yours. All right, Little Flash's turn. Okay, open it up right over here. Yeah, another bad guy for Little Flash. There's Electro.
I'm not getting lucky.
All right. Let's see, who do I want? Let's see, this soccer egg looks nice. Let's see. Ah! No! Okay. You little boy, you go stand over there. All right. All right, Little Flash, you're up. Oh, let's see what he's got. Let's open it up. Let's see what Little Flash has got. Oh, Little Flash got... All right.
It's me.
2-1. KidCity Dad's winning this time.
Get that guy. Get that guy.
Let's see this orange one. This one looks promising. Ah! Yep. KidCity Dad's on a roll.
And then I'm gonna be on the roll this time.
All right, Little Flash. Let's see. Let's open it up right over here. Ooh! Spider-Man! You got 2, but I've got 3.
And I'm gonna
I only
win.
need 2 more. You need 3 more. All right.
Run!
KidCity Dad's turn. Here we go.
Get back.
I don't think so on that one. Let's see. What do I want? I don't know about that one. Let's see. Ooh, yeah. Oh! Wow. All right.
I'm on the
Let's see who else is in here. Remember to like and subscribe and let us know who you want to see in the next Heroes and Villains. All of the figures in here are from the last video. All the characters you said you wanted to see. Let's see. Let's see what Little Flash gets. Ooh, you know what this is?
New character.
You know what this is, everybody? This is a custom-made play school Deadpool. I made this, I painted him, I crafted all that stuff on him with some sculpted materials, and made him out of a Spider-Man character. What do you think? You like him? Let me know. And you know what? In the next Rumble League video, it's gonna be Deadpool versus Wolverine. Roar! They're gonna go head to head. That's gonna be an exciting match, so look for that.
Well, I got a good guy.
You got a good guy. Okay, so you got 3 good guys, and I've got 3 good guys. It's my turn. Who's gonna win this time? All right. I don't know. Let's see. Purple. Oh, man. Okay. Still 3-3. All right.
I'm gonna be 4-4.
The Flash. Let's see it. Who's he gonna pick? Who's he gonna pick? His little blue PJs. Over here, bud. Ooh!
I know which one.
I can't see.
I'm about to get 5. I'm about to win again.
And Flash gets Falcon. Let's see. Who do I want? What about this yellow one back here?
Bad guy. Bad guy.
You got 4 good guys?
Yeah.
Man, what a comeback. Buddy, you're almost gonna win. Oh, I got one. Okay, it's 4-4. You know what? You gotta get a good guy this time to win it. What do you think? What's it gonna be, buddy? All right, let's see it. Let's see if he's gonna do it. Drum roll, please. Oh my goodness! Little Flash got Commissioner Gordon, and he wins the game again. Oh my goodness. All right, you guys want to see who is in the rest of these?
Yeah.
Let's split up here. Let's see. Who else do we have in here? Ooh.
Martian Manhunter.
Martian Manhunter. He left his shirt off. No, hold on, buddy. That's a cool figure.
That was in the 7-pack. Hello.
It wasn't a 7-pack. All right, who else we got here? Help me open this one up. Oh, upside down cyborg. All right. Ooh, Ultron. Oh. Next.
Has gotta be Batman. And I'm
We
right.
also have the Batman.
Hey, Dad, you
Hey.
wanna have a fight?
Hey, what are you doing here? Oh, got the Joker and Solomon Grundy all in one. Well, but I'm gonna help him up. Okay, sorry about that, buddy.
I'm just gonna
You gonna do that one? Who else is in there? Ooh, a Marvel 500 Spider-Man. Cool. We got one more.
Which is
Ready?
Green
Ooh,
Goblin.
Green Goblin. I bet you I would have got him anyway. All right, everybody, that's it for this edition of Heroes and Villains. If you like this video, like down below, comment below, and let us know who you want to see in the next video. And thanks for stopping by at KidCity.
Dad, I got an idea.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Thank you. Thank you. Oh.
It was this.